made it to our first destination. Well, our only destination. Oh, okay, thank you. Oh, okay, okay. Him did have to buy that one here? No matter what. It's not hard. Always.
You have to go buy some put on the knife.
I brought some because I'm like, Joel always need. Always. Mask life, guys.
So guys, we'll go Tea Tree
Creperie. Creperie. Thank you, sir. Creperie. Babe, catch my outfits.
like that. So
that. Oh yeah. Can you see it?
Yeah. Oh, this is like the first camera, so.
Huh?
It's
This
so
don't look like
amazing.
it looks different, right?
Yeah.
Like better.
Go so. When I get a better light.
So come here, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
You see better?
Want a pic?
You see better?
Yeah.
Yeah? People gonna know which part my shots come from. I mean, I remember which part my shirt come from neither. The back, don't remember. The slippers, one store called Arden. That's the only thing I remember about myself.
I hear a store that Arden.
Arden.
Sound like a school. It's 100 there.
Let me catch people, man. Wait, come that side, yeah.
I'm not dressed.
Come let me talk about your side suspense.
Biker jeans. Tell them only love biker jeans.
guys, let's go get going together.
What? Clark's as per usual in uniform. Yeah, at them uniform. And him have one Tiger King shirt, blouse.
Bye.
More often and get out of
So he shall blue notes.
even this trip because I'm open to traveling.
Right as day
But just
and
can't
night.
have a drive.
You kill it though.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to drive.
Can't vlog him.
Yeah, get that.
He cannot vlog.
On top of a long time.
Joel a promote. Joel a promote. Joel promote.
Clark, put there.
Unit 2?
Alright, so I'm gonna get some
Upstairs?
shots. I'm really into
Boom, boom. Oh, Ross, never mind. Wrong with it. Come here, say Unit 2 not supposed to be up. Oh, is this it? This is cute. Taurus core. Okay. All right, Taurus. All right, Bulldog. Anyways, guys, we reach. Seats here. So cute. How does this work? Oh my. Good morning. Oh. Oh shit. Afternoon. Oh, this work. Where we go? If our love is tragedy, why are you my gravity? We're gonna eat outside, like real YouTubers. We're gonna eat outside. Outside? You want a big deal here? All right, girl. Right, true.
Then I'm putting my tripod. See, I'm the world's worst vlogger.
Huh?
Yeah. So guys,
Whoa, I didn't even see this when we were driving past. That's why you know since so much things are hidden.
right.
And it was only 4 minutes away. Literally. Obviously. Ooh, look at how cute. My people that front screen. Right? You guys here in Jamaica? You guys here in Jamaica? You wanna hear tonight?
Free fry.
So this is where we are, you guys. Tea Tree Creperie.
Because the white walks right over everything.
Right.
Subscribe to my.
I don't even know what I want now. Yo, I was feeling pancakes this morning, but what I want to know, I feel like my appetite go up. So, you can eat breakfast anytime. McDonald's serve breakfast 24 hours. Right? I'm just like, where are we? International House of Pancakes?
I feel like some kind of chicken.
The chicken parmesan. Is it the It's a crepe? How that work? Oh, babe, that might not actually be bad. It's not so this is a crepe as well. Oh, okay. Samir, you see me? Yeah, but no, but I wasn't even thinking the sweet ones, yeah.
And then I did some bites.
Yeah, you come like over here.
You don't want that, we don't breakfast. Yeah. Did a chicken, chicken breast itself.
Yeah, man, pork.
Oh.
Yeah.
You do know. You guys see the cocktail menu,
Like
please?
inside. How are these?
Jalapeno.
Jalapeno.
Christ.
You know what I'm talking about?
Jalapenos.
Mayonnaise.
Oh, and the Wi-Fi.
Oh God. Oh no. See, babe, they have French fries.
Oh, that one.
Oh wait, French crisp. Never mind.
I
can't read the menu, yeah. The menu, yeah. Complication.
Italian tea.
Hold on there. So the crepes are going to come in at the time. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, him say wrap up.
Yeah, make us a wrap.
It's a wrap.
How them do?
So me I go pause. I mean, although crepes are really, really light, like it's just, yeah, I just feel like it might work. But I don't know if we want to try it today. And frozen lemonade. I'm excited to go to this crepe where I'm very familiar with. I'm always buy it, but in Jamaica, so I'm saying be back. I was just about to throw you guys in the bag. Totally forgot about. Totally forgot Ray to start consume. So I got my crepe. I can't really see it too good, but Nutella, bananas, and strawberry. Babe got a cordon bleu sandwich, I think. And crepes and crepes. Yeah, no. Maliko. Day has to go pick up her mom from the airport, and we have to head back home. I'm gonna reach home all now. We come and we go straight to the Airbnb. So we'll go home and do little things. And as we say, oh, I didn't tell you guys, but I left my laptop charger at home, so I have to go figure out that so I can edit while I'm here. But yeah, when I left on a journey, I go home, me come back and reach in and talk so now. Everything was fine?
Oops.
That's me, my husband.
She'll call her phone and she'll tell her, say, hello. She'll tell her, say, she did put the way. Go in there and take picture. Shit, my battery's gonna die. Say bye.
Bye, guys.
Till next time.
Next week we'll link up here.
We're gonna try to make a Portland trip before my left, so we'll see what happens.
Long distance loving, no